Hello everyone, welcome back to Two Smart Cookies. Welcome back to Two Smart Cookies, the channel where we turn. Lauren, stop it, I nearly had it as well. My name is Paige.
And my name is Lauren. Have you ever walked down a busy high street and thought, ooh, that smell of bread? Well, we are here today and we're going to bring that smell straight into your kitchen because we are making
Subway style bread rolls. For this recipe you will need 2 tablespoons of yeast, 30 grams of sugar, 570 grams of bread flour, 1 egg, 10 grams of salt, 354 millilitres of warm water and 39 millilitres of oil. We're going to need a stand mixer bowl for this and your typical kitchen stand mixer. We're going to start by pouring our water straight into our bowl and then sprinkling our yeast over the top. We're going to activate it so it helps our bread rise. Give it a little. We are then going to add in our sugar, which is going to help that yeast activate. Okay, pour that in. And you're going to leave this now for about 5 to 10 minutes until that yeast starts. You'll see like a foamy bubble across the top. Your yeast mixture should look something like this when ready. We are now going to add in our salt, oil, and egg.
Ooh.
That was like a volcanic eruption.
Oil.
Careful now.
And egg.
We are finally going to add in our flour. There we go. And we will pop that in our stand mixer for 6 minutes on a low speed. Now that your bread mixture is looking something like this, we are going to flour our surface.
Can I have a go?
No, because you put it in my face. There we can. Lightly floured. If you've seen a previous video, she likes to chuck flour everywhere. Okay, and we are going to tip this out. Oh, look at that. Hey, hey.
Gorgeous.
We are just going to give it a little knead. You can see how soft and light and fluffy it is. Okay, we are going to form it into a little ball like this. And we are going to cut it into 4, so we're going to go straight down the middle on that one. Hey, like this. Split that. And then just again, just so we get even pieces. Like this. And like this. Don't be afraid to add more flour if you need it at this point. We are going to roll these into sausage-like shapes. Want to make sure you tuck in them ends and pinch the bottom. And we are going to pop this into our mould. Okay. We are going to do that with the rest and we will be right back.
Now your bread is in its mould, and if you are wondering where we got this silicone mould from, you can find them very easily on Amazon. I'll link that below in the description. We are going to take some cold water, just the tiniest bit, on your basin brush. That is just enough water to make your seasoning stick.
You can put any seasonings together that you want, but we have used oregano, parsley, and a little bit of garlic granules. I love that garlicky taste on bread. And we are going to sprinkle it over the
Almost
top.
like Italian herbs and cheese, isn't
Oh,
it?
I can smell it though, and it does smell
It
like,
really
pretty
does.
good.
It's so similar.
And just before we let these rest, we are going to score them across the top. Do you really get like the little slits along your bread bun?
You're just basically going to make it look as presentable as you possibly can.
Yeah.
So we'll take a pizza cutter, you can use a knife. You're not slicing all the way through, you're literally just making the
little
slight
score.
slit on top of your bread.
Now we've got our bread ready. We are going to let this sit for up to 1 hour until it's doubled or tripled, depending how big you want your bread in size. Halfway through that, you are going to want to preheat your oven to 190 degrees, which is gas mark 5. Now we are going to cover these, let them rest. We'll be back with you in a moment. Now that your bread has doubled in size, oh, I can smell it. We are going to pop these into our preheated oven for around 15 to 18 minutes until nice golden brown on top. Now our bread is done. We are going to open that lid. Oh, lovely. We're going to pop that out of the oven and we are going to let these rest. Our bread is now finished and it is cooled down. You need to let it cool, it's important, otherwise it goes stodgy.
So you can tell ours are soft.
And you can see by this line how fluffy it's going to be when we cut it open. Are we ready? Oh, it's just so soft, it's really easy. Here we go. Oh,
wow.
Look at that. And it smells so good.
It's very good for a first attempt, that.
Right, we're going to cut this in half and each going to make our own sandwich.
Good,
and we're going to be back to taste test. I have made a cheese, tomato and lettuce sandwich.
And I have went really boring with a ham and tomato sandwich.
Let's give these a try. Do you know where to start?
10 out of 10. Do you agree?
100%. These are a good size, but if you want something a bit smaller, you can always half the recipe again and save it for another time.
You can. It's lovely. It's so light. And obviously you can have unlimited combinations with a sandwich, can't you? That's us with our little Subway buns. Please give them a go. Let me know what you think of it.
Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and leave a comment down below what you would like to see next.
Thank you so much for watching our video today.
I hope you are ready for the next one.
Bye.